Sunshine, it's Julie and welcome back to another Style and Story. So today we are here in Amadeo, Cavite, and I'll share with you one of the great places to stay here in Amadeo. We're going to stay in Casa Mina. It's located in Daguetan, Amadeo, Cavite. 10 to 15 minutes away lang siya sa Tagaytay. And you can check in like 4 p.m. and then check out the next day 1 p.m. Kaso super traffic. Today is Saturday, 5:46 time check. Kaka-check-in lang namin. And ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung itsura niya sa gabi ng 5. And then tomorrow, I'll show you ano naman yung itsura niya in the morning. Ayan yung pagsistayhan namin. And then doon, marami pang mga casa na pwedeng pagstayhan. Like yung Casa Apollo and then Casa Alberto ata. So, ganyan yung itsura niya kapag gabi. Dito naman sa loob, I'll show you. I'll show you the group rooms at the siya. Ayan. And may aircon. So, meron ding mga ganito. Paano ba to? Ayan. So, check natin. Check natin yung isang room. Parang private room ata. I'll show you. And of course, yung dining and my friends. Hey guys! Ayan, nag-iinit na siya ng food. So, check natin. This is the private room. And, of course, may aircon. And, merong, eto pala yung CR. So, may heater. And, maganda naman yung CR. This is the other room pala. Ayan. So, bali, 4 na room siya. Ayan. Ah, ang cute! So, the good thing about this, lahat ng rooms is may CR and may cabinet and may aircon. So, it's super nice. And then, meron din silang mga ganito. Palaroan. And that's the food. Hey, Sisi!
Hi, cook this.
And check naman natin dito. CR daw to CR. Ayan, CR. Ang daming CR. Ganda niya. And ito, wala na. So that's all, and I'll just update you for our ganaps later, and then tomorrow, say hi guys! So I'm not sure kung anong oras na, tingnan natin. It's 7:02 and we're complete. That's the other friends. Hey guys! That's Kate, Iel, and Sisi. Kaka! Hey Kaka!
Say hi, Jimmy. Say hi.
I'll show you yung ibang friends. Andito sila sa may pool. Hey guys, nag-iihaw sila. Say hi to my vlog. Yes, kaso madilim. Alam nyo ba, kagandahan pala dito, mayroong bata. Hanapin lang natin yung ilaw. Ayan. So, hindi ko makita yung ilaw. Pero baka mag-bathtub kami later or tomorrow. Our food is complete. Ta-da! And then the boys is nag-iihaw. So we're gonna eat na muna. Hey Sunshine, good morning! So, it's 7:30 na. Nagising ako kanina like around 5 or 6 kasi sobrang init sa kwarto. Pero dito sa labas, ang lamig. Tingnan mo. Tapos may umihi sa pool. Ayun no. Doon po talaga siya umihi sa pool. Hi Nas, good morning. Si Enos nga pala. I'm gonna walk lang here and papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya kapag umaga. Ayan. While we are waiting. Tadan! While we are waiting for our friends magising. Tsaka alam niyo ba, though hindi ako magja-jog ngayon, ang ganda niya din sa labas. So, if you want, pwede kayong mag-jogging. Ayan o. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day. Mag-picture lang ako. And then, later, magbe-breakfast and siguro magsiswimming pa kami later since hanggang 1 pa naman kami dito. So, that's all. I'll update you later. I-rate natin yung amenities and inclusion ng Casa Mina habang inaantay namin magising yung iba kasi later we're gonna be busy na agad. And first is yung free wifi naman is okay siya kasi nakapaglaro kami kahapon as in like 9 and hindi naman siya lag. And then yung may free video and there is also platinum. Pero mas maganda yung YouTube kasi maraming mga new songs like that. And then for there's free usage of gas. So tinitingnan ko kasi yung cheat sheet ko. And then there's also 1 gallon of minerals. So don't forget to bring lighter kasi wala silang lighter na pinaprovide or siguro kapag nag-ask ka, so I'm not sure lang. And oh my gosh, it's umaambon. And yung parking naman, medyo malaki siya if ever like maliit yung mga cars nyo, like yung mga ano lang, sedan, ganyan. Kasi naman siguro 3. Pero pag mga malalaki, I don't know. So, I'll show you later na lang din. And also, ano pa ba? Yung swimming pool. So, since may nagsuswimming dito, let's ask. Kahapon kasi sobrang lamig ng tubig kagabi. Ngayong morning naman. So, what can you say about the pool, Enad?
Cold spring.
Yeah, cold spring. Kaya pala siya naging green. Umihi na kasi yun kanina. Gumising siya ng maaga para umihi. Joke lang. So, ano siya, 4 feet. 4 feet lang and 3 meters yung pool. And so far, okay naman siya. Parang deep pool lang. Instagrammable and customized furniture. So far, oo. Tsaka maraming chairs din. And ano pa ba? Smart TV. Hindi namin na-try yung Netflix. But, yeah, toilet. As in, 10 over din yung toilet nila. For me, yung sa room lang namin. Ewan ko sa ibang room. Oh my gosh, umaambo na. So, saan ba tayo pupunta? Wala kasi yung ilaw doon. So, dito na lang. Tapusin na lang natin to. And ano pa ba? Ito pala, walang mga like free towels, mga soap and shampoo. So, you need to bring that. Like mga, kasi, I don't know, but bakit wala? There's, ano pa ba? Ilalagay ko na lang kaya sa comment section kasi wala lang, napagod na ako may microwave, like ganyan, and CCTV protected. Ayun yung CCTV, oh. So, ayan. Ewan ko lang kung gumagana siya. And ayun lang. And ayun nga pala, check nyo na lang sa page nila. Kung mapapanood nyo to sa YouTube, lalagay ko sa description box yung link ng Casa Mina. And if ever naman, like sa Facebook or TikTok, check nyo na lang yung comment section. And Casa Mina lang naman yung lalagay ko na lang yung nila Facebook page. So, that's all. It's just a chill. Maganda siya pag mga gatherings with friends and family kasi wala lang. So, for me, it's like 8 over 10. And if you wanna ask why, you come visit Casa Mina para ma-experience nyo din. So, I'm gonna eat breakfast muna. Coffee lang. Kung gusto nyo yung medyo aesthetic na mug. Dadala ko yun kasi look at my breakfast. And the view. Naglolo ko yung battery ng GoPro ko. Nakakainis. Lahat ng mga backup battery ko. So, I'm gonna swim. No swim sa just this outfit. Ganda kasi ng araw. Sayang hindi ko na-video yung pagkaano ni Enad. Bigla kasing bumukas yun, oh. So, ayan, may ganyan siya. So, I'm excited to swim. Check out na. Sobrang init. Magpipicture lang kami. Yeah. That's my friends pala. So, dahil sobrang aga pa, like 2 PM pa lang, naisip namin magkape muna. So, we are here in Cafe Amadeo. Ayan siya. And medyo mahirap lang yung parking. Papakita ko sa inyo yung taas ng Cafe Amadeo. Ganda siya. Ang hangin. Look. First view. Ayan. And then dito. Sobrang ganda. Look at that, guys. So pretty. Ta-da! I got my coffee. It's macadamia and I'll just gonna show you around. So, ito naman yung itsura niya sa baba. Meron din dito. And I'll show you naman sa loob. This one. It's Irish. Ay, macadamia pala. Macadamia. Sayang wala na yung human. Ang sarap niya. It's gonna be the end of the vlog and super fun yung trip na to from Casamina. Tapos may tumatawa sa harapan ko. Ayun, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I know there's a lot of cute places to visit here in Amadeo. Kaya soon, abangan nyo na lang. So thank you for joining. So say hi, my friends! And may sisi. Nas, babay ka na, Nas.
And your baby.